We're in a battle. What's up, everybody? It's Taikina Beauty. I'm back here with another video. If this is your first time, welcome. I do beauty and cosplay, and this is a part of my graphic line series. I love graphic liquid eyeliner, and I'm like venturing more out into it, and I'm just loving the results of it. So I wanted to create a series on my channel. So let's get started. I'm on a time limit again. I'm really on a time limit. Okay, we're gonna start with the base. I'm using my favorite palette. I use this almost every day. It's the Moschino, not Malibu palette, but it's the Purse palette. And I'm going in with that light color. It's really pretty. Like a light frosty pink color called Angel Wings. Gonna dust that all over. It's gonna be a really cool look. And I'm going in with the Crossing Cloud. Gonna take the flatter brush. And I'm just going to sweep it right here. Just in that socket. Just right there. Then I'm going to sweep it away. I feel like I don't need this mirror. I need it. If y'all can't tell, I'm definitely faking. So I'm gonna take a mix of Bound Bronze and Pixie Dust. I'm just gonna gonna mix it a little bit because it's not giving me. There we go. I needed more definition because I know y'all didn't see that definition. You want to kind of steer away from colors that look familiar to each other. There you go, that's better. Yeah. I'm like racing with the sun right now. We're in a battle. So far, so good. And I'm gonna take this beautiful liquid liner. It's so pretty. It's like a purpley pink. It's so gorgeous. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. So this design came from the dome. I was like, I want to enhance my inner corner eye. This is the vision I had. Pray for me, you guys. I wanted to like emphasize that part instead of like the end of the liner like we always do. So that's what I'm basically doing in this look. What I like about my liner looks is I don't care about how straight the line is. And it's interesting because the line usually does come out straight, but I have a really great technique for you guys if you guys do struggle with that, with no tracing necessary at all. So here's what you want to do. You just want to very quickly draw that line, and that usually makes it steady. I notice if you kind of go slow, you get like shakiness, scariness, and not good lines. But you can always fix that if you don't make a straight line. It's really easy. We'll do that in this video too as well. I just wanted this to look very fun and like different for sure. But now we're just going to fill in that wing and elongate the inner corner liner. I'm not too crazy about that wing. I'm gonna go back and fix that, but we're gonna fill it in anyways so we can just take off. I gotta hurry up. What we don't like. I'm like CEO of telling my friends I'm gonna be gone. I need to work better on my time management. Always running on CP time. Always running it on CP time. But yeah, so now we're just going to match our twin to the other, and we're basically, what I got inspiration from was just basically outer lining your eye, and that's basically what I'm doing here. I still wanted like the classic wing liner, but I wanted to like do something with the inner corner too as well, and that's where it's basically stemming from. I want to go a little bit far beyond that, but still make it fun and cute. Just to juju it up, I got with a glitter liquid liner. Like it reminds me of a highlighter, and I just wanted to highlight the places that didn't have emphasis on it, and that's how I kind of like fixed up the imperfections for sure. And I just think it just adds so much to it. This is like such a fun makeup look. I'm not feeling that wing. I'm gonna like fix that. It's not doing it for me. And I did put liquid eyeliner under my eye. I don't recommend this brand because this brand, it's super hard to get the liquid liner off. I'm excited because I'm hanging out with one of my good old friends that we would go on crazy adventures. For example, on my birthday, we went to this club that had playing, and we hung out with, and like we became friends with her. It was like really cool. She's very cool. Funny story about this brand that I'm using their liquid liner. I actually tried to collab with them and she did not respond, and I just felt like if you didn't want to collab with me anyways, you could have just told me up the jump. It was just weird. I don't know. My lashes are hanging on by a thread at this point. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. This video is old. This is from 2020, but my lashes have grown. I'm so happy. I've grown to the point that I'm very confident without wearing lashes, but don't get it twisted because I still love wearing false lashes. But now this is my favorite part. I love taking the translucent powder off. That means we're almost done here. I'm using translucent powder from a black owned brand called Plain Jane Beauty. I like that translucent powder. It's very good. I'm just now going back in and sprucing up the places that need to be. I love this like inner liner just like out of nowhere. It's so beautiful. It just enhances your eyes, elongates your eyes. Very pretty. I'm gonna fix that. That looks kind of crooked. But I think it's just really gorgeous, especially for like a special occasion, just to be fun and funky. If we weren't in Corona, this would be like a cute festival look, but we're not out of it yet. Really disappointed that this brand, I don't know, but my phone kept dying. Contour, I'm using this. Now we're going in with the Mented Cosmetics bronzer. Clearly I need to stop filming from my phone. This video was filmed from my iPhone. Ever since I started YouTube, I did all of my videos on my iPhone, but I have now stopped. I do like the black-owned company Mented Cosmetics, but I just do not like this bronzer. It just looks very red on me, and I honestly don't think I have a red undertone. As beautiful as a red undertone is on a skin tone, it's just not me. So I feel like when I do wear it, it looks like I'm red, like a blush, and I don't want that. I don't recommend you guys using a blush brush to contour, but I was rushing and I didn't have time to choose the proper, precise brush for contouring. Yeah, I don't feel like I contoured my nose correctly. Hurry up and go now. But now we're going on to my favorite part. All of this is my favorite part, which is highlighting. I'm using that same brand that I will not mention because I don't believe I should still be using it. But this is an old video. This is their highlighter. I can't knock them. I really do like their highlighter. All of their makeup is really good, but I feel like they're very chemically heavy ingredient based, and that's just not something I value, so I will not be using them anymore going forward with my videos with you guys. So I'm sorry I'm not mentioning them. I know you guys are probably like, what's the purpose? But I made this video and I really like this video and I still want to put it out for you guys. But I do recommend, if you do want to use a blush brush for highlighting, you can, just not for contouring, because contouring is a little bit more precise and you don't want contouring everywhere. You'll be blackfishing at that point if you do choose to do that. I'm gonna take that pink contour. I have to hurry up because I love Pat McGrath. She is a black-owned luxury makeup brand. Love her. Let me turn it off. It's like my favorite gloss. Hurry up time. And then Beauty Supply Store. there we have it. All right, there we have it. Here is my makeup look. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did making it. I think this is so pretty. I love it so much. I want to thank you guys so much for supporting me and watching me. And if you like this video, please thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're gonna subscribe, you better hit that notification bell twice so you know next time when I post a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye guys. I'll see you later. Bye daisies. Bye.